Wherever the aim is to use space to express identity, we are in demand. As a company, Vitra gets involved with public spaces like airports and railway stations, with offices, with private spaces, but also with malls, with retail, with shopping, with local stores. We pursue a multi-channel strategy, which is the tight integration of this multi-channel online shop we have, generating leads very, very strongly, and is very, very tightly linked with the local dealer that the customer can go to.
We wanted to deliver faster, we wanted to deliver more reliably, and that was not possible with the procedures we had in place. We had various databases, we had different pots where we kept our data, and were simply very busy with administration there, and we started looking for another solution.
We then had a look at various software solutions and evaluated both the solutions as well as the integrators with a balanced scorecard. And this resulted in the software solution from Censhare being the winning solution. And we then put that software into practice. The solution from Censhare is important for the marketing campaigns against the background that we can communicate consistently across all channels. That means that if we make print publications, that if we make web publications, if we work in social media, we can always run an identically orchestrated campaign on all channels. For particular productions, like for example the annual price list now, which is produced in 7 languages and various sales regions. Catalogs are generated with it, but also the whole website is administered with it. And of course the media database for the press, but also for the internal dealers. And of course anyone who needs any kind of media from us. The solution from Censhare simply offers a variety of contact points which all provide information in a consistent way. And that's certainly an important point. This means that we have, for example, a configurator which works on the website. And we have particular data which work on the website, but which also work at the so-called EPI stations in the Vitra house. So we have in principle POS stations where one can configure the products on offer in the same way. So in principle, we communicate consistently on all channels with the software solution.
With the Censhare system, we have the whole of communication under control. We don't have any distributed data stores, but everything comes from one system. All the publications which we produce and deliver in marketing are made available centrally via the system. The next steps for us are to roll out the system further and also in other areas of the company, like for instance the shop fitting group.
With the introduction of the Censhare solution, we have certainly obtained a very great transparency in our media assets. This allowed us to automate production processes, with the result that our colleagues, particularly in the creative area, could keep their heads clear for creative solutions and are no longer tied up with data handling. This in turn also led to an extreme jump in the efficiency. So now we no longer have to enter data into 7 different databases, in web CMS and those kinds of things. In principle, we have them in one database and we can control all channels from the database. Of course, we've done an ROI analysis of the investment in Censhare, and I can definitely tell you that the investment has paid off. In marketing, Censhare has brought us extreme increases in efficiency, I must say, and with that, also falling costs. I believe the solution offers us the maximum transparency. When one has mastered it, then one can achieve unbelievable things.